Hello, XRP gang. I hope the weekend has been good to you. We're winding down on the month of September and the third quarter, fiscally speaking. Last week was huge for the volatile crypto market, and only time will tell what is coming for the last part of September. Today, we will be looking ahead to the future and more. Looks like XRP and most other cryptocurrencies remain in the red zone or near steady. Stick around because we've got the numbers coming up with our technical analysis. Right now, let's crank up that intro. Welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. Welcome back to my regulars. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm glad you're here. We invite you to subscribe and be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our new daily updates. Have a question or your own prediction for XRP? Let us know in the comment section below and let's have a conversation. All right, let's get down to business. Every day, we talk about different cryptocurrencies, XRP in particular, and we often talk about holding on to investments for the future. Now, we'll be getting into that later, but we begin today with this from Ripple, who are making strides to expand the future of crypto and blockchain technology. Ripple is continuing in its mission to expand opportunities with one of their corporate goals. Through higher education, the company has established their University Blockchain Research Initiative. According to a link shared on Twitter by Ripple, education is the backbone of innovation. And the link says, as has been the case with other groundbreaking technologies, academia unlocks blockchain's real power through curriculum, research, technical innovation, and knowledge sharing. The University Blockchain Research Initiative, UBRI, supports universities around the world to advance blockchain education and real-world solutions in digital payments and beyond. Partnering with over 35 leading global universities, the program provides students and faculty with strategic guidance, technical resources, and financial support. Moving on, time for some more news on the fallout from Friday's banning of cryptocurrencies in the People's Republic of China. The initial reaction was, of course, the dramatic drop across the board in the values of cryptocurrencies. In response to the ban, two crypto exchanges have now begun the process of halting trading by Chinese citizens and closing the accounts of Chinese nationalists. Bloomberg reporting today that exchange operators Ubi and Binance have stopped letting traders use mainland China mobile numbers to register new accounts. After the People's Bank of China said Friday, all crypto-related transactions will be considered illicit financial activity. New signups are still available for Hong Kong users on both platforms, but mainland China is no longer an option for new account creation. Ubi has also announced plans to close existing accounts by year-end. To comply with local laws and regulations, Ubi Global has ceased account registration for new users in mainland China, effective September 24. The exchange said in a statement. Ubi Global will gradually retire existing mainland China user accounts by the end of December and ensure the safety of users' assets, it said. A Binance spokesperson said the company doesn't have exchange operations in China and blocks Chinese IPs without commenting on the mobile registration move. The Chinese government first began cracking down on crypto trading in 2017, and that propelled Ubi and Binance to relocate their trading platforms to Singapore and Malta. As the international finance community and governments continue to react to the ever-expanding crypto and digital investment world, expect more changes as exchanges come under the umbrella of regulation. Now, I personally believe that regulation will bring clarity, stability, and integrity to the world of crypto. What about you? What do you think about the ban in China or the future of regulation in crypto? Let us know in the comment section below. Well, sports is a major entertainment venue across the globe. Fans all have their favorite teams, players, rivalries, and they're celebrated. The multi-billion-dollar industry of sports not only makes money from attendance at live events and broadcasts, it makes money for apparel companies and, of course, the sponsors of those teams, events, and venues. In the United States, a first sign of the expanding world of digital investments is entering the basketball arena. Blockchain.news shared the story of the NBA's Philadelphia 76ers and their agreement with the exchange Crypto.com that will be the first partnership between a sports franchise and a digital currency operation. The report says, it is reported that this is the first cooperation with an NBA team with more than 10 million cryptocurrency exchanges, with a total transaction volume of more than $400 million US. According to the Jersey Logo Partner Agreement, Crypto.com will use its expertise to launch the first non-fungible token NFT in team history for the 76ers. Fans can purchase non-fungible tokens of Philadelphia 76ers through Crypto.com NFT, a newly launched NFT trading platform focusing on art, design, entertainment, and sports. President of Business Operations Chris Heck from the 76ers team said that this cooperation would jointly change the pattern of cryptocurrency entering the sports world, and noted that Crypto.com is what they have always thought of as creative, innovative partnerships. I suspect that this move will balloon to other sports in the very near future as NFTs and their value continues to grow. One of the many missions of Ripple and the XRP Ledger is the exchange and development of NFTs and CBDCs, which will be just parts of the financial and technological future. That's another reason why I maintain that XRP will still go to the moon, and that's why I keep holding on. Now, speaking of NFTs, a simple video clip shot in 2013 led to a meme, and just this week, that meme that became an NFT was sold for over $74,000. The purchase was detailed in the Washington Post and gave details about how one family is laughing all the way to the bank. The video was recorded by the Clem family, and the reaction of their then 2-year-old daughter would be viewed millions of times over the last 8 years. According to the story, a non-fungible token NFT of the meme was sold Friday to 3F Music, a music production company based in Dubai, for 25 Ether, the cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network, which was worth more than $74,000 around the time of the sale. The digital wave of the future in finance, technology, and art. Welcome to the future, and the future is now. So while we all start trying to come up with a unique, original NFT that can make us a bundle, let's go to the charts and see what's going on with XRP and our technical analysis. It's been a volatile week across the spectrum of cryptocurrencies, and that will likely continue given the SEC versus Ripple case and the Chinese ban on crypto. So what exactly does the data show? Now, let's take a look at the charts. XRP is making higher highs and lows and is currently in a falling wedge. This is a bullish continuation pattern, and we can expect a further leg to the upside soon. We are currently in an ABC correction, so we could see one more push to around 78 cents before completing the pattern. Or if we see a breakout before that, then the up move will most likely be the next move. The two arrows on my chart show my two possible paths that will take $2.75 is the local high for my short-term target, and my mid-longer-term targets are $7 and $13. These targets come from previous fractals, previous percentage gains, and data and Fibonacci extension levels. The lawsuit from the SEC does not bother me, as I think Ripple have already won. Not literally, but their case is strong and they don't want to settle. They want to fight for clarity. Both technicals and fundamentals are bullish for XRP, and so am I. Don't let short-term price dips affect you. Well, my friends, all I can say is hold on for dear life, hodl, and trade safely. Remember, all content here is presented for entertainment purposes only. We are not a licensed financial advisor. We invite you to subscribe and set your notifications so you get alerts whenever we post our daily updates. Have something you want to share or maybe a question? Please leave it in the comments section below and let's have a conversation. Thanks again for watching. I greatly appreciate you. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time on Money Side.